to do. Oh, he's a Bowie. Hi, Bowie. Bowie. Hi, Bowie. Bowie. Oh. Wait a minute, one of my Furbies are missing. Kaden, did you do anything to my Furby? Did Freezer do anything to the Furby? No, I don't know. I don't know how he would. I know which Furby is missing. It was the one that's broken. Okay, Mom. So I accidentally kicked the beanbag.
What?
And the two Furbies woke up, and now it's making a really loud noise.
Okay.
No, I need help getting the
my
batteries
gosh,
out.
Lexi.
I can't get the batteries out on my own. I know.
I'll trade and help you.
No, he isn't doing anything.
I'm busy, sweetie. Go to bed.
Oh, wait.
Okay, we'll stay in there with the noise forever. Oh my god.
Okay, I spelled that wrong first.
What the heck? I was just ready to make a video.
Sunshine,
Keenan, we're gonna be hearing that noise all day.
what are you doing? You should still be singing.
Help! My mom told you to help me. I'm scared. After that, it was just going, and then it goes, hee hee hee. Nope, 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 I am done. I need to tell Freezer about all this crap. Nope, 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 no, no. Oh, he's AFK. Actually, kick the bean, kick, and I accidentally, wait, what is it called? I accidentally kicked this thing with all my Furbies in it. Two of them woke up, then one of the 1998 Furby start. What is a stop? Making. I don't think it's no, it's not going. It's not going. I'm freaking out right now. I know. Why is that Furby possessed? Why is Coco possessed? Should I pick it up? Because it just goes like, hee hee hee. I can still hear it doing like, Yep, it's Coco. It's Coco, that one. That's the one. I don't know if it has low batteries in. I think they're okay. I don't know. I need help. Coco. Coco. Please stop making that noise. Coco, please. Coco. Coco. Well, there's the missing Furby. Gaten caused all this. He threw the Furby on the ground and made the other Furbies mad. Good job, Gaten. Good job. I'm scared. Should I pick it up? No. I need a protective glove. A protective glove. Let's just go in the closet and get the protective glove. Where's all my protective gloves? These are... No, these are... Oh, there. No, that's my brother's socks. That's not a protective glove. Where? I need a protective glove. Fine, I'll just use this. Okay. I'm gonna put on my protective glove. This is totally not a sock. It's a protective glove for me to use. Okay, let's shut the closet door. Here we go. We're gonna pick the Furby up with my protective glove that has a weird thing on it. Do something.
A lot of things here. There. I have a loud family, as you're about to hear. Can you get the Furby away from me, please?
Nope. You're gonna have
Mother
to.
just walked in, carrying a Furby with a sock on her hand.
Cause and it was making a noise, and then it goes hee hee hee. Then makes this noise.
Is its batteries dying?
No, they're new battery.
Ray, thank you for the follow.
My Furbies are haunted.
You're so
Seriously.
happy to know that now. Is it 1996 again? This is actually an old Furby too that she has. She has a couple, like, what, 2 or 3 old Furbies.
4.
And then she has some of, like, the newer ones. How many do you have all together?
Like 9.
9 Furbies? She's
Okay.
obsessed.
But I'm not. I don't like that.
President of Woody's fan club? Yes, that's exactly what I mean.
Could someone help me get the
Excuse me, do you
screwdriver?
Peace came out with the win. Woo! Good job, Peace.
I guess I'll get the screwdriver with my protective glove.
That's not the most like.
This is totally not a sock. Yeah, that's my logo on there. Yep. Totally not anything else. Now you have to listen to that sound. Where's the screwdriver? Come on. Has to be behind that one of all Furbies. Oh. Oh, now people are discording me. Whatever. I can hear it from here.
So if you'd like to play, that's where I'm putting it first. You have to join up Discord. Make sure your name is
There's the
similar to
screwdriver.
your Twitch name. And I think you have to be a follower to have access to the Jackbox channel. I'm not 100% sure this is all new to me. I hear it buzzing, please. Let me get away
No,
from
I
it.
can't do it. I don't want to do it.
Quit being wild.
Oh my gosh. Apparently I have to dismantle a Furby while I'm doing this. Alright, which was next? Espionage? Let's see. Please stop coming.
It's scary.
Take it to some help.
Welcome to my life. Espionage is in 3.
Sorry, I'm freaking out too much. I just don't like. I'm freaked out of
Let me get it going.
Furbies doing that.
Let me go here, even though I don't have anything on the screen.
Especially when I
quite
just
yet.
kick the beanbag and it does that randomly. It's just like, and then goes hee hee
Sorry, I
hee.
don't have a lot of cool things to show you. The is based on the Dora Explorer. Go Diego was the spinoff. Okay. What did I say? Espionage? Give me the thing, honey.
Reset it. Reset it.
I don't know how to reset it.
Wait, hold
This
on.
button?
No, hold on. I'll get a toothpick. I'm getting a tooth.
Anything, Lexi?
Yeah, it will.
Sorry, guys.
It'll do something.
Oh, you're getting a toothpick.
Okay, got a toothpick. I don't know.
Like, not loading.
Excellent.
Hold on.
My game's frozen, guys. Ah! Tickled my hands. This thing was loud.
I need to reset it again.
And then restart it, dude.
Being
Okay.
weird.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to restart my game because it's like not doing anything. Sorry, guys. Here, I'm gonna put some music on.
Mom.
What, Lex?
Mom, look at its eyes.
Just read that e-card and I cannot stop laughing.
Get the screwdriver!
Excellent.
Oh my god, Lexi, please stop screaming. Oh my gosh, this thing's possessed.
I know it is.
You guys make any more noise. It's literally like in the fucking
Just
trenches.
Alright, it's starting now. Here.
hurry!
I'm hurrying, Lexi. I
Just
can only unscrew a screw so fast. There, get this away from me.
I'm not taking it.
Alright, well then it's going in the trash.
No, it's not. Just bring it into my room sometime.
Alright, espionage. Here we go. Sorry, guys. Stop!
Sorry.
Go away.
I don't know.
Lexi.
I freaked out about the Furby problem. Okay, the Furbies, I don't know how it has low batteries, but the Furby problem's handled. I can take my protective glove off. Ugh. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay. Time to upload this video. That was